Just the fact that charges are filed against somebody a lot of times leads people to the conclusion that, oh, well, they must have done something wrong, right? And that's the thing that I have to deal with a lot. I've had people say that in jury selection before. Well, if they didn't do anything wrong, then why did they file criminal charges against them? And unfortunately, for a lot of people, they don't realize how that can happen until they're in that position, or somebody who's close to them is in that position. But yeah, that's one of the most challenging things that we deal with as defense attorneys. And that's why the system is also set up the way it is, where the burden of proof is as high as it is in this country. The challenge there too is getting a jury to understand how high that burden of proof is and getting them to follow that law. But if we think about it in the context of, well, we have a private person who now has the resources of the government coming at them, that's an underdog, in any sense of the word. So that's one thing, sticking up for the underdog. Also, checking power. I remember my dad telling me stories about cases that he had where people were really they had their rights violated by law enforcement, and so that really stuck with me. And if it's not criminal defense attorneys who are going to point out these abuses of power, who's going to do it? So those are the things that were really important to my family and have in turn become important to me over the course of my life. And so I feel like being a criminal defense attorney is really a true representation of those values.